Okay, so traveling with the RV, one of the biggest pain in the butts is always having my Ziploc bags. I go through so many freaking Ziploc bags, like, because I want to open my chips and close them. And here I'm now in Florida. You can see the beach back there. It's a beautiful place, but it's so humid. And so what I want to do is be able to open my chips and close them and seal them without having to keep doing all that stuff. So what I got was this. It's the, I don't know what brand it is, but it's a bag sealer, and it's so simple to use, and I did play with it a little bit earlier. I packed it back up again so I can kind of show an unboxing, because that's kind of like the videos I usually do, but it does work. Oh man, I got the sticker stuck on it. But you can see here, you know, you just put the two AA batteries in there, and then what it does is you do it, it heats up a little bit. When you push the buttons in, it heats up and it seals, so you just swipe it along, and it did seal my bags for me, so it definitely worked. So it's a cute little gadget, and it definitely works, and fun, and it comes with this little hook. I couldn't figure out where to hang it. I have nowhere to hang it, so I just keep it in my drawer, so don't use that. But it definitely works, and it's cool.